Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get esoteric scrolls fast. Start by mapping high-yield locations and setting a clear route to hit shrines, bosses, and vendors efficiently. Use consumables that boost drop luck and keep movement cooldowns ready to chain runs. Rotate between solo and group content to balance speed and safety, and always grab quick repeatable rewards before major farming sessions. Get set up to maximize every minute of your farming loop by equipping drop-boosting gear and stocking refundable teleport items. Arrange inventory and hotkeys so you can vend, sell, and restock in seconds without breaking rhythm. Use map pins or macros to zip between spawn points and sync with daily reset timers to take advantage of higher spawn windows and group bonuses when available. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that keep salads and sauces separate so you can snack between runs without spills, and they stash neatly in your gaming area. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you pick one up, it will save you time and cleanup. Now, let's get back to the video. Craft a compact route that lets you clear multiple high-yield spots quickly, aiming for short loops you can repeat reliably. Swap routes based on spawn shifts so you always farm the most productive mobs and shrines, and team up for overlapping loot tables to increase per-hour scroll gains. Track your actual yield per loop and prune any stop that consistently underperforms to keep your average running high.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.